Hey everybody, here's where we started. And I finally have the center section of my garden all cleared out and ready to plant. I'm using this old piece of broken irrigation hose to measure out and find the center and mark it with an X.
Here we go. Boy, this guy is heavy.
And I'm moving in the pedestal. It's time for the sundial. Over the years, I've moved this guy all over the garden, but it's time for him to go to his original place, right in the center. Used my iPhone to find north. Tells time great. And look at them peas coming right along. We're picking 10 plus of these a week. Delicious. Time to plant. We'll put some Italian oregano in the sunniest corner. Some more shade-loving plants up along the back, and a beet field right in front. I've got a friend helping me, as you can see, but he's not doing a lot of work, just kind of getting in the way. That's okay, though. He's a fluffy friend. I got out the Hori Hori, the Japanese gardening knife. If you don't have one of these, it is an excellent tool to get through earth. Works better than a trowel, in my opinion. Now I'm putting in a purple and a golden sage. Pretty and delicious. We'll be putting in a couple kinds of thyme, some lavenders around the center, feverfew, rue, lemon balm, all the good stuff. Oh, I found a peanut. The squirrels planted it sometime, and we're gonna put it back in the ground. See if it grows. There we go, all planted, ready to grow. Tuck them in with a nice sprinkling. Beautiful and vibrant. We'll be working toward the couple of back patches that are left. But for now, here's my old herb garden, back in action. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.